Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I'm going to take you on a stroll through the backyard in July. It just lets you see how things fill in. I had some tours in March, I believe, before things had really popped up. Now the hostas are blooming and everything is just full, almost overgrown to the point where I need to get out the trimmers in some areas. And we're going to stroll along the back line. I have some azaleas and hostas and some big grasses and a dogwood tree. And you can just see how it just fills in along the back fence. And there's a lilac right there. Of course, we missed the blooming. Then this succulent bed was a trash to treasure project. I think a year or two ago. It's on my channel. It was the frame for a Costco gazebo that came in the shipping container. And I just filled it with succulents. They need water, but other than that, they're doing pretty well. And then this is an old memory foam cushion that I put a duvet cover on. This is a great spot to take a nap in the summer. Oh my gosh. It's shady and warm, not too breezy. Wonderful. And you can see Wilson's way over there. He has a bone, so he's very, very busy. He can't come and talk to us right now. But there we go. We got his attention a little bit. Now he's going back to his project. And you can see his pool there. So this kind of shows you what our backyard looks like in the summer when we're living in it and really enjoying it. And things are set out a little more. I don't have a rug in the bus stop because the other one got tired and I threw it out. But still, it's still a good place for a nap. And you can see just kind of strolling along. And up against the house and closer to the deck, we have blueberries. So we can walk over there and eat some blueberries. And I'll take you over there in a minute from a different angle. We'll see things a little differently. This just lets you see, look how much it fills in around the deck so that it's very private and cozy later in the year. Really, really different than summer. Oh, and there's a fountain over there by the shop. That big blue pot is a fountain. So right here we have the blueberry bushes. Those of you who don't have blueberries in your area, they grow really easy here, and you can just put them in your hedges and your yard, and they just look like a nice shrub. We have been eating blueberries off of this for several weeks, so they're a little lean now, but you can still see them on there. And then there are two more farther over that get more sun. But it's just really nice to have them so close. And you can see my hostas. And the hostas look pretty good at a distance because you can't tell how bad the slugs and snails are this year. I'm really, really careful about poisons or other things in the backyard. So sometimes my hostas just have to take a beating. And if you look really carefully down there on the ground, you can see that bird has been coming and eating the blueberries. Wilson doesn't do a thing about it. Squirrels send him over the edge, but he will lay on the deck and watch the birds eat the blueberries. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.